Throughout this course, we've talked about protecting food from contamination. Now we're going to focus on one of the most important ways we accomplish that: cleaning and sanitizing. These two words are often used together, but they do not mean the same thing. Cleaning removes food, grease, dirt, and other debris from a surface. Sanitizing is the step used after proper cleaning to reduce harmful microorganisms on that surface to safe levels. That distinction is important. A surface can look clean and still require sanitizing. And attempting to sanitize a dirty surface does not replace proper cleaning. At Guanatos, remember the basic sequence: wash, rinse, sanitize, air dry. Let's look at each step. First, wash, remove food residue, grease, and other soil using the appropriate cleaning method and detergent. A surface needs to actually be clean. Coliforma requires food contact surfaces and utensils to be cleaned to sight and touch. Next, rinse. The washing solution and loosened debris need to be removed according to the approved procedure. Then, sanitize. Use the approved sanitizing method for the equipment, utensil, or food contact surface. When chemical sanitizer is being used, the correct concentration matters. Too little sanitizer may not provide effective sanitization. Too much chemical can also be inappropriate or unsafe. That's why we don't guess. Follow the manufacturer's label and Guanatos procedure for the sanitizer being used. And use the appropriate test strips to verify the required concentration. 2. Not determine sanitizer strength by looking at the color. Do not decide it is strong enough because you can smell it. And never add extra chemical because you believe stronger must be better. Measure it. Finally, air dry. Or 2. After sanitizing, allow equipment and utensils to drain and air dry as required. Do not use a dirty towel to dry a sanitized surface. Doing so could immediately contaminate the surface again. The same principle applies after something has been properly cleaned and sanitized. Keep clean things clean. Imagine you sanitize a pair of tongs. Then you place those tongs onto a dirty counter. The tongs are no longer protected. 2. Imagine cleaning and sanitizing a preparation table and then placing a dirty container on top of it. Contamination can be reintroduced. Cleaning and sanitizing only work when we also prevent recontamination. Food contact surfaces include many things throughout a restaurant: cutting boards, knives, tongs, containers, preparation tables, utensils, food preparation, equipment, thermometers, and other surfaces that directly contact food. California requires food to contact only surfaces of equipment and utensils that are properly cleaned and sanitized. These surfaces need attention throughout the day, not only at closing. Clean and sanitize at appropriate times, including when changing tasks. For example, if equipment has been used with raw animal food and will then be used with ready-to-eat food, clean and sanitize before that transition. If a food contact surface becomes contaminated, correct the problem before continuing. If a utensil falls onto a floor, do not simply pick it up and use it. Replace it with a clean utensil or properly clean and sanitize it before it returns to food contact. Wiping cloths also need to be handled correctly. A cloth used around food preparation areas can itself become a source of contamination when it is improperly used or stored. Follow Guanatos procedures for wiping cloths and sanitizer solutions. Do not use the same dirty cloth repeatedly without sanitation. And remember, never mix cleaning chemicals or sanitizers unless instructions require it. Use only approved products and follow their labels. Another important responsibility is maintaining the condition of food contact equipment. A cutting board with deep grooves or a cracked container. Damaged utensils or equipment that can no longer be effectively cleaned may create food safety problems. If you notice damage, report it. 2. Not assume that cleaning harder will correct damaged equipment. Commercial dishwashing equipment also performs important functions. Employees using this equipment must follow the approved operating procedure. The equipment must be operating correctly and sanitizing conditions met. If you notice that warewashing equipment isn't functioning properly, report it. The same applies to a 3-compartment sink. Follow the correct setup and procedure. Do not combine steps or skip sanitizing because the restaurant is busy. Food safety does not disappear during a rush. Remember, cleaning and sanitizing are different. Cleaning removes soil and food residue. Sanitizing follows cleaning and reduces harmful microorganisms. Follow the sequence: wash, rinse, sanitize, air dry. Use approved chemicals. Follow the product label and Guanotto's procedure. Verify sanitizer concentration using the appropriate test method. Keep sanitized equipment protected from recontamination. A clean restaurant isn't just about appearance. The surfaces our food touches are part of the food safety system, protecting every guest we serve. Next, you'll complete a short assessment. After that, we'll follow food through food storage, receiving, and product protection.